Hello everyone, happy to see you here and welcome back to Brain Logic, channel about really interesting and tricky question. And in this video we're going to solve this really interesting and tricky question. On the first side this is very easy, but a lot of students do this common mistake, and I wanted to record this video just to relax real quick with this question. So we have 10 plus 30 divided by 2 and minus 1. So I just read this question and I wanted to show you this very obvious mistake right here. So 10 plus 30 divided by 2 and minus 1. On the first side, this is very easy question, but a lot of students do this common mistake. They say, okay, very easy question, so let's go from left to right real quick. So we have 10 plus 30 equal to 40. 40 divided by 2 minus 1, very obvious from left to right as right here. So we have like 40 divided by 2. We have 20, 20 minus 1 equal to 19, and we have this option right here. So as you can see, a lot of students solve it like that. But then I ask them, okay, what about order of operation? We have 3 different operations right here. We have addition, division, and subtraction. So it's not like all addition, we add it from left to right, or we divide it from left to right if we have all division. Right here we have 3 different order of operation, addition, division, and subtraction. So what is the correct order to do this problem? We need to understand it. For this question, I want to show you this PIMDMC order of operation, and let's solve this according to PIMDMC, and let's check with this answer. Maybe 19 is the correct answer according to PIMDMC. So I just read this question. So 10 plus 30 divided by 2 and minus 1. Let's look at this PIMDMC and solve it correctly according to PIMDMC. Of course, correct order of operation right here, and I want to mention that I respect both methods, but I will solve it according to PIMDMC. I respect both of these method order of operations. So we have 10 plus 30 divided by 2 minus 1. What is the first step according to PIMDMC? According to PIMDMC, the first step is parentheses, and now we need to scan. Are there any parentheses right here? Let's look at it. No, I don't see any parentheses. We don't have these parentheses, so we just go to the next step. We just did this step, we just go to the next step. The next step is exponents. So now we need to scan. Are there any exponents right here? So squares, cubes, 30's power, or very huge power. No, we don't have any exponents, all the first power, so which is really great. We just did this step. Okay, next step, multiplication. And a lot of students do this common mistake, they say multiplication, but we need to add to this multiplication, we need to add division. So we need to look at it in this perspective. So multiplication and division group. Now let's scan from left to right with this sign. Are there any multiplication and division sign? So right here, addition. Yeah, right here we have division. So we need to start from this division, because if we divide it, we have 30 divided by 2. We have like 15, and 10 plus 15 minus 1. So right now everyone don't need this order of operation anymore, because very obvious expression right here, and we can easily see that addition and subtraction is after multiplication and division. So we just did this step with division, then we need to add it. So 10 plus 15. We have like 25 minus 1, so we have 24. And on the first side, we solve it according to PIMDMC, which is absolutely correct. But on the second side, if we look to these options, we don't have this option right here. We have 19, we have 40, we have 4 factorial. And one part of students go back to these wrong answers. They say, okay, then 19 is a correct answer because we don't have this 24. And they say, okay, 19 is a correct answer, option A. Then say option A is a correct. But then I ask them, what about order of operation? Because this is a correct order of operation and this is a correct answer. This is absolutely incorrect order of operation, because, as I told before, we cannot start from addition at first. We need to do division at first. So we solve it according to PIMDMC. Correct answer is 24. But let's solve it according to this test. We have 3 options and we need to choose which one is correct. We have like 19 for factorial and 40. 19 is not the same as 24, very obvious, and 40 is not the same as 24, very obvious moment. So what about this 4 factorial? We need to know that 4 factorial, this is a product from 1 to 4, 1 times 2 times 3 times 4. So we have like 1 times 2, we have 2, 2 times 3, 6, 6 times 4, 24. And as you can see, this 24 is the same as this one. So for factorial, this is 24. So according to PIMDMC, correct answer is 24. And according to this test, our answer is option B is a correct answer. So I write it, our answer is option B. Very tricky question, and I hope your answer is the same as mine. But definitely don't feel bad if you got this wrong. Thank you for your time and have a great day. See you in the next videos. Thank you for watching.